Gathered today in this beautiful August afternoon to witness the marriage of Curtis William Corpan and Crystal Lynn Cadew, according to the Marriage Act of 1995 in Saskatchewan. So marriage is a time-honored institution, and it's going to be based upon the traditions of law and social custom. It's a partnership of two people such as yourself who are devoted to one another. And it's a partnership that's going to keep going by mutual love and understanding.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
So marriage must not be ended with thoughtful consideration of purpose and responsibility. And there should be recognition of those values that are going to foster a lasting, fulfilling relationship between husband and wife.
Yeah, you stand there too.
It is such a relationship that both of you and we always start with
Come here.
What?
I solemnly declare
that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Curtis William Corpan, may not be joined in matrimony to Crystal Lynn Cadew. I solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Crystal Lynn Cadew, may not be joined in matrimony to Curtis William Corpan. Okay, again. Well, you better watch. Curtis, repeat after me. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Curtis William Corpan, do take thee, Crystal Lynn Cadew, to be my lawful wedded wife. All right, Crystal, it's your turn. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Crystal Lynn Cadew, do take thee, Curtis William Corpan, to be my lawful wedded husband. All right, your face is better now. Okay, I, Dr. Vesper Adams, Marriage Commissioner, by virtue of the powers invested in me by the Marriage Act, do hereby pronounce you Curtis William Corpan and Crystal Lynn Cadew to be husband and wife. You may congratulate each other. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present Mr. and Mrs. Corpan. All right, now, they'll have the signing.